How to fix Canon printer offline issue. On Windows, step 1. Check physical connections. 2. Ensure the printer is turned on and properly connected to your PC. If using USB, try a different port. If using Wi-Fi, restart the router and reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi. For Ethernet, ensure the cable is plugged in securely. Step 2. Set printer online. 2. YTM and open control panel. Devices and printers. Right-click your Canon printer and select See what's printing. Click Printer in the top menu. If Use Printer Offline is checked, uncheck it. Step 3. Restart Print Spooler service. Tap Receive Main. Press Win+R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Find Print Spooler service, right-click it, and select Restart. Step 4. Update. Reinstall. Printer drivers. 3 min. Press Win+X. Select Device Manager. Expand Print Queues. Right-click the Canon printer and choose Update Driver. If updating doesn't work, uninstall the printer and reinstall drivers from the Canon website. Step 5. Set Canon as default printer. 2 min. Go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. Right-click your Canon printer and select Set as default printer. Step 6. Run Printer Troubleshooter. 3 min. Open Settings. Devices, Printers and Scanners. Select your Canon printer. Click Run the Troubleshooter. Follow on-screen instructions. Final step. Restart your PC and try printing. This should resolve the offline issue. If not, reinstall the printer or check Canon's support website. For more updates, subscribe our channel. The Printer Zone.